What is up, everyone, and welcome back. Today we are checking out the band Bloody Tyrant and the track Ode to the Falling Rain. Bloody Tyrant are a black/folk metal band from Nantou, Taiwan. They were formed at the end of 2008. And I had a request for these guys a while ago. It's been sitting on the list. I want to finally get to it and finally check these guys out. I'm looking forward to it. This comes off their 2015 record. I know they've got a new one coming out here. I do believe it's already come out here in 2018. So let's go ahead and check it out, shall we? The band is Bloody Tyrant. The track is Ode to the Falling Rain. And here we go. I love they're using real strings. It's always a pleasure to hear bands actually investing that kind of time and not just going with synthesized orchestration. A lot of clarity in the mix so far. Love the horn usage as well. Building a phenomenal soundscape. Really love the clarity of the cello work here. And the addition of that traditional instrumentation is phenomenal. Love that rich and strong kick drum tone. It's so nice to hear that with bands that are supposed to be more black metal. Really clear. Not clicky. It's got a nice, thick, rich sound to it, as does the rest of the kit. Very coherent. Always a big thing for me. Really like these riffs. Almost has an early Amorphous-like feel from these riffs. Really enjoy his vocals. Got a really strong voice for what he's doing. Really love this riff and just how well the string section and the traditional orchestration or instrumentation is cutting through. They've done a great job mixing this. And they really add these different textures and dimensions to the sound. Really strong fills there by the drummer. I love how rich and forward that bass tone is. Nice that it's not getting buried. Really like this shift into this really cool harmonized riff here. They're almost in melodic death metal territory here. Really dig this sound. Ride bells coming through incredibly clear here. Shifted straight into a solo. Definitely a faster lick to begin with here. More of an accent, it seems like. These riffs are shifting seamlessly. Got a big bit of vocal layering, you can certainly hear it. That is a cool way to shift that tempo again back into this chorus passage. Really do get a bit of that almost Tale of a Thousand Lakes era Amorphous. Oh, that's a killer riff to shift into. Like that drum pattern here. It's just, they keep shifting the drum pattern under this riff, adding those different textures and different feelings to the riff. There you get some of that black metal influence, a little bit of that thrash in there. Awesome. Love how they keep going back to this. I like how they went back to that passage, but they took it up. Their vocalist just got even higher in his rasp. Really love that triplet infused riff coming behind that drum pattern. All the instrumentation going on. Wow, what a vocal. Really gnarly riffage there, too. Wow. That was awesome. Wow, these guys are good. That was Bloody Tyrant. The track is Ode to the Falling Rain. That was their official video. Damn, these guys are good. Really, really enjoyable stuff for me. Love the feelings of bands like Agalok and the Amorphous and the Ulver. Love those injections, those big shots in the arm of some of those thrash-edged black metal riffs. Love the usage of all the strings, the traditional instrumentation, the clarity and the enunciation in both their vocalists' voices make it easy to make those lyrics out for me. Now, other people might possibly need translations, of which I could not find any. Hopefully there will be some soon, but I could not find the lyrics for them. But being a longtime fan of extreme metal, and it wasn't hard for me to make the lyrics out. Very powerful stuff. And the biggest thing I'm kicking myself for is why I have not heard these guys before. At the same time, I'm glad I haven't, because I get a chance to do them here on the channel and be truly surprised about what I'm hearing and really explore them. The only Taiwanese band I've had a chance to really hear is Sonic. So being able to hear these guys as well and just be blown away by them, it's awesome. I definitely hope to cover these guys more soon. Really awesome track. The different instrumentation together is fantastic. They do a great job with it. I love how they keep coming back to that big chorus while they're shifting in and out of these different passages, these heavier passages. Just really cool guitar harmonies going on at points. Really nasty thrash passages. Their drummer's a beast. Really, really strong. Phenomenal mix across the entire track. I have no complaints. Well, maybe maybe the vocals could come up just a touch, but that might be it. And even then, I was pretty fine with where they were, but they could probably come up just a little. But really incredibly well mixed, especially with all the different instrumentation added to it. Whoever mixed that needs to pat themselves on the back, because that's awesome. Phenomenal musicianship all the way around, and I was just hooked from the first couple of notes. Definitely need to do more. I'm so sorry to whoever requested this that I forgot who you were, please correct me in the comments. I do certainly apologize. Outstanding stuff. Outstanding request. Will definitely do my best to get to more soon. But as always, you're on the channel. My dance card is so full of music that I want to cover, bands I want to get to, and records I want to do. So I'll try as much as I can. Thank you guys. Truly appreciate all the support. We're over 5,000 subscribers now here on the channel, and it's amazing. And I'll do something good to thank you guys here shortly. Thank you so much. Thank you to my law enforcement, military veterans, and first responders for what you do every single day. As always, you have been awesome. I have been Baldman. I will see you in the next one. Be excellent to each other. Keep headbanging.